how you can log in into your MetaMask account. Now, this is really simple. So before we move on to it, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Also click the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new upcoming videos. Now, let's start. First, make sure that you've installed your MetaMask. So go to your app store, search for MetaMask, download this. Now, after you've downloaded it, just open MetaMask and just get started. Now, if you already have an account, just tap on import using secret recovery phrase, and after you do that, make sure that you have your recovery phrase. Now, you can also scan with your QR, but let's do it with our recovery phrase. Just type in your 12 secret recovery phrases and then type in your correct password. Make sure that your passwords match, and you can also enable unlock with Facebook ID. Now, if after you've done all that, make sure to click on import, and if all your credentials are correct, you should be able to log into your MetaMask. So that is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and take care. Bye bye.